In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get GoDaddy promo codes. To get started, open your web browser on your phone or computer. You can use any browser you prefer, as long as you have a stable internet connection. Once the browser is open, go to couponfollow.com. This website is commonly used to find discount codes and special offers for a wide range of online stores and services. After the website loads, look for the search bar, which is usually easy to spot near the top of the page. In that search bar, type GoDaddy and then begin the search. This will bring up available coupon listings related to GoDaddy, including promo codes and possible deals that may help you save money on your purchase. When the search results appear, take a moment to look through the options. You may see different types of offers, so it's helpful to find one that matches what you plan to buy. Once you find a coupon you want to use, click the button that says Show Coupon Code. This action should reveal the actual discount code that you can use during checkout. Next, copy the coupon code carefully. Make sure you copy the full code exactly as shown, since even a small mistake can prevent it from working. If your device allows it, you can simply highlight the code and use the copy option. It's a good idea to keep that code handy so you can paste it right away when you're ready to make your purchase. Now head over to GoDaddy and continue with the product or plan you want to buy. Add it to your cart and move forward to the checkout page. During the checkout process, look for the field where you can enter a promo code, discount code, or coupon code. Once you find that box, paste the code you copied from the coupon site. After pasting the code, apply it and check whether the discount appears in your total. If it works, you should see the price update before you complete the purchase. If the code doesn't apply, it may have expired or may only work on certain plans, so be sure to double-check the offer details before continuing. And that's it. That's how you can find a GoDaddy promo code, copy it, and paste it during checkout to get a discount on your purchase.